3, 2, 1.
Hi everyone, this is my performance task and basic calculus. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano solve ng problem gamit ang position, velocity, and acceleration. Problem solving about position, velocity, and acceleration. Hahanapin natin ang object moving along a straight line. Next, a ball is thrown downward. Next, a rocket shot vertically. Example of solving problem is the position equation for the movement of a particle is given by P of t equals 8x cubed minus 6x squared plus 4x plus 2 when P is measured in feet and T is measured in seconds. Hahanapin natin yung velocity at 4 seconds. Next, hahanapin natin yung acceleration naman at 4 seconds. Solution, this is the answer. Find the velocity at 4 seconds. Hahanapin natin yung first derivative ng velocity. So, makukuha natin yung sagot is derivative of 8x squared minus 6x squared is equals 24x squared minus 12x plus 4. Saan nanggaling yun? First derivative of 8x. Ito, first derivative nito. 8 times 3 equals 24. 6 times 2 equals 12. Next, b of 4. Hahanapin natin yung velocity niya daw 4. Kaya yung x magiging 4. 24 times 4 raised to the power of 2 minus 12 times 4 plus 4. Final answer is b equals 4. b of 4 equals 340. Next, acceleration naman yung hahanapin natin. At 4 seconds rin, same at the velocity. Ganito, pag sa velocity, first derivative. Pag sa acceleration naman, ang hinahanap sa kanya is second derivative. Kaya yung 24x squared minus 12x plus 4 naging 48x negative 12. Second derivative of 24, ito, second of derivative. Next, yung x gagawin papalitan na natin 4. Kaya a of 4 equals 48 times 4 minus 12 equals, final answer is a of 4 equals 180. Then, 180 is the final answer. Next, what is the position function of the ball thrown downward from a height of 9,600 feet with an initial velocity of 160 feet per second? Position function is P of t equals 1/2 gt squared plus bt plus p, where gravity g equals 32 feet per second squared. Yung b equal, ibig sabihin initial velocity. Yung p naman position function. Ito yung position function niya, negative 16t squared. Saan nanggaling yung negative 16t squared? Sa kalahati ng 32, kaya naging negative 16 plus 160 plus 906,000. 160 is the initial velocity. Next, the 9,600 is the height. Then, what is the velocity of the ball after 3 seconds? Yung t, first derivative of velocity, diba sa velocity, hinahanap yung first derivative. Kaya yung first derivative niya is negative 32t plus 160. Yung t, hahanapin natin is after 3 seconds. So, yung t magiging 3. Ganito, negative 32 times 3 plus 160 equals B of 3 equals 64 feet per seconds. Then, the final answer is the velocity of the ball after 3 seconds is 64 feet per seconds. Next, how long does it take the ground? Ito yung gagamitin natin formula. P of t equals 0. It will take the ground. So, the position is 0 feet. Negative 16t squared plus 160t plus 160t plus 9,600 equate it to the 0. So, negative 16 times t squared minus 60t minus 6 factor, makukuhang sagot is negative, makukuhang sagot is 30 and 20. Negative 30 saka positive 20. Equate it to 0. So, t minus 30 equals 0. So, the final, yung t minus 30 equals 0. So, hahanapin natin yung positive. Kaya yung kukunin natin is 30 seconds. Kaya, ang sagot, how long does it take the ground? It will take 30 seconds for the ball to hit the ground. Yun. Next. Oh no. Next, what will be the velocity of the ball when it hits the ground? Diba nga yung natin 30? So, gamitin na natin yung 30 dito sa first derivative is negative 32t plus 160. Yung t papalitan natin 30. Makukuha natin is negative 800 feet per seconds. The question is, what will the velocity of the ball when it hits the ground? The answer is, the velocity of the ball when it hits the ground is negative 800 feet per seconds. Next, how long does it take before the ball is moving at speed of 320 feet per seconds? So, ito yung process. B of t equals negative 320 feet. Yung 320 magiging negative. Then, negative 32t plus 160 equals negative 300. Saan nanggaling to? Saan nanggaling yung negative 32 plus 160? Dito, sa first derivative of the velocity. Next, how long so, ganito, yung negative 32t equals negative 320 minus 160 equals negative 32t equals minus 480. Divided natin yan sa negative 32. Kaya yung sagot is t equals 15 seconds. Question, how long does it take before the ball is moving at speed of 320 feet per second? Answer is, it will take 15 seconds so that the speed of the ball is 320 feet per seconds. Next question. A rocket is shot vertically from the ground with an initial velocity of 160 feet per second. When does the rocket reach its maximum height? Ito yung process niya. So, yung initial velocity niya is 160t. So, if it will reach the maximum height, the velocity of the rocket is 0 feet per second. Therefore, first derivative. Hanapin natin yung first derivative. Makukuha natin is negative 32t plus 160. So, yung negative 32 plus 160 equals 0. Equate to the 0. Then, negative 32 equals what? Negative 160 divided negative 32 equals t equals 5. So the question is, a rocket is shot vertically from the ground with an initial velocity of 160 feet per second. After 5 seconds, it will reach the maximum height. What is its maximum height? Diba nakuha natin kanina is 5, so yung t natin gagawin natin 5. Negative 16t squared plus 160t equals negative 16 times 5 plus 160 times 5. The final answer is P of 5 equals 720 feet. So what is the question? What is maximum height? The maximum height of the rocket is 720 feet. Next, when does the rocket hit the ground? P of t equals 0. Negative 16t squared plus 160 equals 0. Equate to the 0, so the final answer is 10. When does the rocket hit the ground? The answer is the rocket hit the ground after 10 seconds. Next, we will tackle about maxima and minima. Finding the minimum value, minimum point, and maximum value, maximum point. Next, given the function of f of x, determine the maximum point and minimum point. Solution equals f of x equals negative 8x squared plus 80x squared, x cubed pala. F of x equals d over d of x equals negative 8. So, given the function of f of x equals d over dx equals negative 8x cubed plus 80x squared plus 9,600x minus 100,000. So, find the first derivative. So, ang first derivative niyan is negative 16x squared plus 160x plus 9,600. Next, find the critical number. Yung critical number niya is factor out. So, the answer is 30 and negative 20. Next, ito yung process niya. Factor lang. Next, second derivative. Ang second derivative niya is negative 32x plus 160. So, yung 30 gagamitin na natin dito sa second derivative. So, the final answer is negative 800. Negative 800. So, it is maximum. F of maximum. Second derivative of c equals maximum. Next, negative 20. Yung negative na 20 naman natin, magagamit naman natin. Kaya tinatawag tong minimum. Next, maximum point and minimum point. Ito yung process nila. Kaya, yung minimum point na nakuha natin is 30 n. Nakuha ko is 30 n 4,400. Next, yung nakuha naman sa kabila, ginamit natin yung negative 20. So, nakuha natin na maximum point is negative 20 and 196,000. Yun lang. That's all. Thank you.